Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 12. P, Q and R lie on a circle. QR is a diameter. Find angle PRQ. Give geometrical reasons for your answer. In this diagram, we are given that angle PQR is 74 degrees, and we are asked to find angle PRQ. We are also told that QR is the diameter of the circle because it passes through the center of the circle. Now, there is an important circle theorem which states that the angle in a semicircle is always a right angle. This means that any angle at the circumference which subtends the diameter QR must be 90 degrees. Therefore, angle QPR is 90 degrees. Now that we know angle Q and angle P, we can find angle R. We use the triangle rule, which states that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equals 180 degrees. Substituting the values we know, 90 degrees plus 74 degrees plus angle R equals 180 degrees, which simplifies to 164 plus angle R equals 180, which means angle R equal 180 minus 164. Solving this further gives angle R equals 16 degrees, which is the answer. Great, we have solved the question. Now let's deduce the geometrical reasons for our answer, which will be angle PRQ equals 16 degrees, because if a triangle is drawn inside a circle and one side of the triangle is the diameter of the circle, then the angle opposite the diameter is always a right angle, no matter where the third point is on the circle. Additionally, the sum of angles inside a triangle is always 180 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.